The mission of the Driving Safety Research Institute is to make roads safer by researching the connection between humans and vehicles.
We work decades ahead of production. So for instance, if you have adaptive cruise control in your car, lane keeping systems and so forth, those came through DSRI 30 years ago as part of their original research and development. Human factors is our expertise where we really integrate the human driver with the technology.
We're looking at how automated vehicles and automation technologies, how well they work in the wide variety of roadways that are out there. We've been able to do this testing with a very sophisticated automated transit. We ran it on rural roadways in Iowa over a period of 2 years across 4 seasons.
Most likely you'll see us actually in the open road trying to understand how human drivers are interacting with traffic with and without the technologies that we're developing. Car crashes are really a major public health issue. The number of people that are killed worldwide is approaching 1.3 million a year.
To study crash safety technologies, you have to get into near crash situations. And the simulator is a very good tool for putting people in near crash situations without putting them at risk.
So the NADS-1 simulator, which is one of the largest simulators in the world, sits in a very large bay that's the size of about a basketball stadium.
The simulator has a 24-foot diameter dome with a full-size vehicle inside of it. There are belts that pull the dome back and forth.
When we brake, you feel that shoulder belt go in front of you. When you swerve, you're moving in your seat. So those cues are really critical for a real experience when you drive.
In each place of the tires are vibration actuators to recreate road feel.
So the visuals combined with the sound, combined with the motion, combined with the vibration. When you put it all together, that's what makes this one of the most realistic driving simulators in the world.
Driver impairment represents one of the largest crash causes, not only in the US, but around the world. It's a critical element that we need to continue to study.
It's important to see first how these substances do affect driving performance, but after that, kind of figuring out what we can do once somebody does make that decision to drive, what we can do to make those consequences less severe. After we kind of figure out the mechanisms behind what influences the driving behavior, we can look at, camera systems that maybe will interface with the vehicle to help determine, hey, you need to pull over, or maybe you should rest at a rest area, something along those lines.
You will find driver monitoring systems in production today, but they're quite simplistic. We want to teach computers how to recognize small nuances and changes of steering, accelerator pedal modulation, eye movement. Those are the things that are going to make these systems less obtrusive and more accurate.
Ultimately, the goal is to make sure that we are making roadways more safe for everybody.
And that takes experts in computer science, engineering, the health sciences, psychology, to be able to put together that interdisciplinary research program and do what we do.
It's an amazing group of talented, hardworking people, and they're doing some really, really amazing things right here in the heart of Iowa and Iowa City at the University of Iowa.